I often capture some really serious incidents on my daily drives around Liverpool, and this could have been really serious. Where people need to focus is over the far left side near the Iceland shop. I honestly didn't see him crash, first of all, but I did see him wobble and fall off as he went down the pavement. So I decided to change my mind. I'm not turning right anymore. I'll go and check he's okay.
Are you okay, mate? Are you okay? Yeah?
He looked a little pale and he didn't really speak much, but he seemed okay and wasn't injured. But after I've turned round, I see the community support officer ride up from the left. And as he's obviously going across to speak to the guy, I thought I'd better turn round and tell him what I'd seen.
Excuse me, officer. He was riding down the pavement. Saw him come off. It's on dash cam if you need it.
Take your details, mate, okay?
Of course. I did stop and make sure he was okay, to be honest, but he just said yeah.
So I gave my details to the community support officer. Looking back at the clip though, on how he crashed into that grey box, I'm pretty sure he was a little bit worse for wear. Whatever he'd taken or drank, honestly, there's no in the world he should have been on the road, let alone the pavement. So I wonder whether the police will actually do anything. To this point, they've not been in contact. I'm just thankful that no one was injured. This could have been really serious on such a busy street.